In this video, I'm going to show how to record a PowerPoint presentation and how to upload it to YouTube. I've been having some issues with YouTube, so I'll see if if it works this time. But in PowerPoint, I have the version that the college Microsoft Office 360 provides. So if you use the college's account for that version, this is what it should look like. So I've opened a PowerPoint presentation, and when you go to this slideshow tab here, as you would when you're going to play the presentation, just select record slideshow. And once you do, just run through it like usual, and you'll see that I have it set up to show my presenter notes and things like that. So afterwards, we will export it, and I'll show you how to put it to YouTube. So I'm going to hit record slideshow, and we just go right through and do the lecture. And you can see here on the right, I have presenter notes. And as I tab through, it will add the audio to the presentation. So I'm going to hit end show up here on the left, and it will confirm, do I want to save the new slide timings? I'm going to hit yes. So it is possible you can, you don't have to upload to YouTube if you don't want to, but this is how I've done it, and maybe there are simpler ways to do it. But you can email this presentation to students. And I know there are some email requirements as far as what file's too large, or you could try to post this directly on Moodle, and then students, when they receive it, what they would have to do is, you see these check boxes, they would have to select the one that says play narrations and then play from the start. So this is playing the video, for example. All right. But I'm instead going to go to File and Export. And I'm going to change the file format to MP4. I'm going to change the location to my desktop so I can find it easily. And I'm going to hit export. And I already tried this once, so I'm going to hit replace. And then I'm going to go to YouTube. So I'm already signed in here, so you can see my photo showing that I'm signed in. And I'm just going to type YouTube. Once you get to YouTube, you will see up on the right corner a little icon that looks like a video camera and a plus sign. So this is what we're going to hit to upload a new video. And you'll have to be patient. I mean, depending on how long a lecture is that you do, it could take hours to upload. So I usually just try and forget about it, go do something else for a while. So select File, and this is, I'm going to select the file, and I'm just going to put test, so I know. Hit next. You then have to verify whether or not it is for children, and I just say no, it's not made for children. Hit next again, and then here's where you get to decide whether or not you want anyone on YouTube to be able to see it, to search for it. And I typically check unlisted so that only people with a link can see the video. And so it's this link that I then post to YouTube, or to Moodle, sorry. And that is how students will be able to access it. And only the students in the class who have Moodle and can get into Moodle with that link will be able to see it. So then hit save. And because it's such a small video, it's only taking a couple minutes to upload. And once this is finished, it will provide a link that we can then use to post on Moodle. I'm not going to show you how to put the link on Moodle. I did that in another video in this series of little sound bites. Okay, so now it's processing. So so it will pop up a window and it'll have a link, and that's the link that you'll just copy and paste into Moodle as demonstrated before. I hope this is helpful.